हेलो दोस्तों, मैं संतोष कुमार मौर्य और आप देख रहे हैं अपना यूट्यूब चैनल मौर्य जी अलाइड हेल्थ साइंस। दोस्तों, आज के वीडियो में मैं फिर से बेसिक फिजिक्स और रेडिएशन फिजिक्स पर आधारित मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन लेकर के आया हूं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करता हूं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द स्कैटर्ड रेडिएशन कैन बी रिड्यूस्ड बाई ऑप्शन ए कोलिमेशन, ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट वोल्टेज, ऑप्शन सी कंप्रेशन, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 2, the minimum base and fog density of X-ray film is about option A 0.02, option B 0.05, option C 0.12, option D 1.0. Right answer is option C 0.12. Question number 3, the average range of measuring density on the radiograph is option A 0.25 to 2.0 above and fog level, option B 1 to 3, option C 0.02 to 0.12, option D 0.5 to 1.5. Right answer is option A 0.25 to 2.0 above and fog level. Question number 4, the radiation unit to record the radiation received by radiation worker. Option A Roentgen, option B rad, option C Curie, option D millisievert. Right answer is option D millisievert. Question number 5, the principle of radiation protection involve option A time, option B time and distance, option C time, distance and shielding, option D none of the above. Right answer is option C time, distance and shielding. Question number 6, the filters used in diagnostic X-ray tubes are made up of option A aluminum, option B copper, option C tin, option D lead. Right answer is option A aluminum. Question number 7, late cause of the X-ray tube failure are option A gaseous tube, option B failure due to filament due to constant heating, progressive thinning of the filament, option C progressive heating of the anode area, option D all of the above. Right answer is option D all of the above. Question number 8, early cause of X-ray tube failure are option A overheating, option B mechanical damage of filament glass envelope, option C electric failure, option D any of the above. Right answer is option D any of the above. Question number 9, X-ray tube said to be gassy when option A filament has burn out, option B presence of the glass molecule, option C heating of the anode, option D none of the above. Right answer is option B presence of the glass molecule. Question number 10, gassy tube is diagnosed by any one of the following. Option A no exposure, option B mm meter does not move, option C mm meter show fluctuation, option D mm meter show full deflection during exposure. Right answer is option D mm meter show full deflection during exposure. Question number 11, the tube which acts as secondary switch as well as production of X-ray grid control X-ray tube used in option A conventional radiology units, option B mobile X-ray, option C fluoroscopic X-ray, option D cineangiography units. Right answer is option D cineangiography unit. Question number 12, the aluminum filter used in the diagnostic X-ray tube is option A for absorption of the low energy photons, option B for absorption of scattered photons, option C for absorption of high energy photons, option D none of the above. Right answer is option A for absorption of low energy photons. Question number 13, when energetic electrons passed by the nucleus it is decelerated resulting in loss of kinetic energy of the electron which is then converted to X-ray and is known as? Option A, Bremsstrahlung radiation. Option B, characteristic radiation. Option C, leakage radiation. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option A, Bremsstrahlung radiation. Question number 14. With increase in the atomic number of the target material, option A, efficiency of production of Bremsstrahlung radiation increase. Option B, high energy X-ray increases. Option C, both. Option D, none. Right answer is option C, both, A and B. Question number 15. X-ray generated provide. Option A, electric power to energize X-ray tube. Option B, mechanism to select technique appropriate for given examination. Option C, to protect X-ray tube from possible overload situation. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 16. Step of transformer supply high voltage to X-ray tubes as? Option A, increase the voltage and decrease the current. Option B, decrease the voltage and decrease the current. Option C, increase the voltage and increase the current. Option D, decrease the voltage and increase the current. Right answer is option A, increase the voltage and decrease the current. Question number 17. Voltage change across the transformer is proportional to turn ratio. Option A, directly proportional. Option B, inversely proportional. Option C, no relationship. Option D, both. Right answer is option A, directly proportional. Question number 18. Auto transformer provide voltage for? Option A, X-ray tube filament circuit. Option B, to primary of the high voltage transformer. Option C, to subsidiary circuit. Option D, all. Right answer is option D, all. Question number 19. High voltage rectifier can be? Option A, solid state type. Option B, vacuum type. Option C, both. Option D, none. Right answer is option C, both. Question number 20. Function of the grid 2. Option A, absorb scattered radiation. Option B, transmit all primary radiation. Option C, both above. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option C, both above. Question number 21. The effective device to reduce the scattered radiation is? Option A, grid. Option B, glass tube. Option C, diaphragm. Option D, cone. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, ग्रिड। दोस्तों ये वीडियो को यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।